welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you enjoyed the simple recipes that we share. Today we are cooking rosemary stew chicken. We are having this with ugali and kienyeji. Kindly subscribe, like and comment. And here are the ingredients. So chicken already boiled. Then I'll be using nyanya, another rosemary. I already used another rosemary while boiling, ginger garlic paste, dhania, Royco, paprika, soy sauce. I'm not going to use a lot of spices. I have turkey spices. So let's get started. Add ginger garlic paste. Our kitunguu, our nyanya, then I love adding dhania stems huku ndani. They're very flavorful. Zikivia kwa mafuta. So I've added ginger garlic paste, tomato, and dhania stems. Then I've added salt. I prefer adding all my spices to the oil so that they can cook with full spices, lychee. Then I'll add kidogo tu soy sauce. You can add tomato paste if you like. Then I'll add some paprika. Once the nyanya is well cooked, then I'll add my already boiled chicken. Even you know as a green, this is rosemary, which I used to boil. Ndio pia chicken ipate ka flavor. Na pia niliacha ka soup, some broth, ndio nisitumie maji. Yes. 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 Yes, baby. Touch Yes, mommy. Yes. Yes. Nitaacha kuku kwanza ishike hiyo mafuta before I add the broth, the chicken broth.